Welcome to Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. Yesterday, I told you guys to get out of the market because I said we have a sell signal. And after the news, talking about after the interest rate, we saw the market plummet down to almost 98,000 US dollar. What are we going to do today? Do we need to buy now? Do we need to, close the trade? Or what we need to do today, I'm going to show you on the show. Also, we're going to check the news out. We're going to check the economic calendar out. We're still going to look at the index. That's the sentiment that is coming out of different community. Also, we're going to check the market cap as we're still waiting to celebrate our 4 trillion US dollars. These and more are what we're going to be looking at on the show today. And the show is the Bitcoin and Breakfast show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. I still remain myself, Ahmed Magic Kazim, aka KC the Great. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be part of this great thing that is happening on this channel. Also, you can follow me on Facebook to get some nugget I'm dropping. You can follow me on X, where I drop more news hourly, daily, and every time just to inform you guys of what is going on in the community. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on TikTok just to get some nugget as I drop it for you every time. All right, without wasting our time, let's jump into today's show. Thanks for joining me. This is a new episode of the Bitcoin and the Breakfast show. All right, first of all, like we always, we're going to take a look at the news that are making waves on the radar before we come to check the economic calendar, the cryptocurrency market cap, and now dive into the chart and see what we need to do regarding all the assets we've been holding on to or all the assets we were willing to put our money into. All right, first of all, yesterday we know the interest rate came in and the hawkish Fed has Bitcoin market feeling most fearful in 3 months because the interest rate was kind of cut with 25 basis point. Also, we have another news on the radar, and this is crypto's dip after Federal Reserve comment is overblown. Analysis, sorry, that's the community. You might want to join the community. Analysis says that, now let's check another news regarding BTC. BTC collapses below 100,000 US dollar following Powell's statement. I told you yesterday, even before the statement, I already told you guys, get out of the market, especially BTC. I told you, just sell your BTC and wait. Don't buy, don't do anything, because I know it's going to fall and it's going to give us advantage to buy at a lower price. All right, let's check more news that's making waves on the services next year. That's a great news. That's a great news because I think they stopped for some time now, and now they'll be able to restore USD services next year. More news concerning the exchange company, and this is coming from Kraken. Kraken launches Ethereum Layer 2 Network Inc. That's another good news for ETH. Also, now let's move into gaming for the people that love gaming. Gaming studios embrace blockchain gaming as challenging public perception persists. That's a good one. Now let's look at some altcoins that are making news on the radar. XRP price drops to crucial support. Could it stage a turnaround? We're still going to take a look at the chart talking about XRP and some other altcoin on the show, so you do not want to go anywhere. All right, let's check another altcoin that is making news waves on the radar, and that is Cardano highs recovery. Key resistance holds the answer. We're still going to check on ADA 2 on the chart analysis segment shortly for you to know if you need to get into all this token, if you need to buy them or not. So we're going to take a look at that. Let's take a look at 1 or 3 more news before we now check the event of the day. And this one is Shiba Inu team issue a crucial warning to the community. So for the Shiba Inu community, you need to check what is going on because a warning has been issued to you guys. Also, let's check another news is making the waves, and this is coming out of El Salvador. El Salvador, IMF's 1.4 billion loan to El Salvador may scale back country's Bitcoin strategy and require economic reforms. That's, we talked about this last week where El Salvador wants to loan 1.4 billion US dollars to invest in Bitcoin as their national strategic reserve. And we know the president has been doing the most since he got into power, investing in Bitcoin, buy one Bitcoin every day. And we can see what is done in the country. So kudos to El Salvador. One more news, from another country, and this is coming from Hong Kong. And now you can see Hong Kong accelerate crypto exchange licensing with 4 new approvals. Hong Kong accelerates crypto exchange licensing with 4 new approvals. That's a great one coming out of Hong Kong as well. All right, that's the news making the waves on the radar today. As I reach out to you, if you want to know more about what is going on in the crypto economy or going on about the BTC and other cryptocurrencies, you might want to join me on X, because on X I am always active, dropping different news for you guys every minute as they drop. And you might want to follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok as well. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do that right now. It's CryptoBit 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. All right, I don't know what is going on with the news and everything in the crypto community. Let's now check what the fundamental news looks like. You can see yesterday we have the rate, and it was reduced from 5 was cut away, and we saw the reaction in the market. But what is happening today in the market? Let's take a look quickly. Today is Thursday, which is the 19th of December 2024. Now this is going on. We have great news out of Japan. We have great news out of GBP, that's Great Britain. Also, we've got great news out of United States. So the one we're still holding on to now is from GDP, which is going to be the monetary policy summary, the MPC official bank rate. Official bank rate also will be coming out at 12 p.m. GMT or UTC. Also from United States, we're going to see the final GDP quarter to quarter at 1:30 GMT. Also, we're going to see unemployment claims coming out of United States at 1:30 GMT or UTC, and follows by final GDP price index quarter to quarter and Philly Fed manufacturing index. And at 3 p.m. GMT or UTC, we're going to be waiting for the existing home sales numbers to drop for us. So we need to be careful, and we're going to check the sentiment out to see that with all these important news we see, is the Bitcoin going to continue falling or is going to recover? Stick around because we're going to take a look at the chart shortly. But one thing you need to know, that we have great news, important news coming out of the economic calendar today. All right, I haven't known that. Let's now dive into what the cryptocurrency market cap. And on the cryptocurrency market cap right now, you can see we are now down to 3.6 trillion US dollars. And I told you we can't wait to celebrate 4 trillion US dollars. Now we're down to 3.6 trillion US dollars because of the news that happened yesterday. And what is trading? Punji Penguin is trending. We can see the large gainers in the market. Also, like we always do on the show, we need to know what the top 15 or top 16 looks like, and which of the token or which of the project are overthrowing each other on the list, but the king still remain the king, which is the BTC. BTC is sitting at number 1, Ethereum at number 2, Theta at number 3, XRP at number 4, BNB at number 5, Solana at number 6, Dogecoin at number 7, USDC at number 8, Lido Stake at number 9, Cardano is now at number 10, Tron is sitting at number 11, Avalanche at number 12, Chainlink at number 13, Wrap ETH at number 14, Shiba Inu is now at number 15, Toncoin sitting at number 17, Sui is down here at number 18, Stellar 19, and the list goes on. If you want to know the top 10, or excuse me, the top 100 or top 1000 cryptocurrency that is making the waves on the list, you might want to check CoinGecko.com for that, to know where your favorite or the project you're holding on to are on the ranking list. All right, that's that on the cryptocurrency market cap. We are still sitting at 3.696 trillion, almost 3.7 trillion US dollars, and BTC is still maintaining above 2 trillion USD, as you can see right there. All right, that's that on the cryptocurrency market cap. We can't wait to celebrate 4 trillion US dollar, and that is going to happen anytime soon. All right, let's get into what you guys have been waiting for, which is what is the chart analysis. But before we get into the chart analysis, if you've been following the program up to this point, thank you, but you need to support your boy. Please like and share the video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you can get all the juicy content as I drop it for you every day, Monday to Friday. And don't forget, the exclusive Bitcoin and Breakfast show is going to be back from next year, where we go to different venue, different places to cover the event for you every Saturday, but that will come back next year. All right, now let's dive into the chart and see what is going on with the cryptocurrency market cap. Right now, BTC is trading at 101,005, down to about 98 or almost 98,000 US dollars. So what do we need to know? Is Bitcoin a buy for the investors or spot trader? No. Don't get it wrong. It's not a buy. BTC, it's not a buy yet. Bitcoin is no. Please and please, you don't need to buy BTC back right now. Please and please, you don't need to buy BTC back right now. We need a signal to tell us we can get in. And these are not for future trading, margin trading, options and all of that. These are for investors, spot traders. If you want to learn how to trade margin trading, future trading, where you can use leverages, the link to my telegrams are down in the description. You might want to join our Telegram, our Discord. They are free of charge. You're not going to pay anything, and you get to trade with me live every day. So do you need to get into the BTC back as a spot trader or as an investor? No. BTC is to remain for you guys. Stay out of the market. But for future trader, they might get in because it's leverage, scalp, take some money and get back in. But for investors and spot trader, please don't get into BTC yet. We need confirmation for that. Now let's go into ETH. What is ETH saying? ETH is still a sell. Don't get into ETH yet. ETH is still a sell. Don't get into Ethereum yet. Let's see Sui. Let's see. It's coming up. Sui is still a sell. What about XRP? XRP is still a sell. Yes, XRP is still a sell. Let's take a look at Avalanche. Avalanche is still a sell. Don't buy yet. Let's look at AAVE. AAVE also is still a sell. Please don't buy yet. And let's take a look at Solana. Solana is what? Solana is still a sell. Almost all the altcoins and BTC, they are still a sell. Even ADA is still a sell. You don't need to buy yet. Let's take a look at Ton Network. Ton Network also is still a sell. So mostly all of them are still selling right now. What I mean is a sell you must have get out of the market. Do you need to buy back now? No. You need to wait to buy back. For now, don't do anything, just stay out of the market. But mind you, this is not financial advice, but because of my years of experience, that's why I've been able to predict the market 99, or let me say 90% to 95% right. Make sure you do your own research, and please trade or invest the money you can afford to lose in any project you really want to be part of. All right, that's that on all the altcoins. Let's now check out the meme coin, and we're going to start with Shiba Inu because we heard that there was a warning from the executive to the community, and now we can see Shiba Inu is still what? Shiba Inu is still a sell. Now let's take a look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is still a sell. Let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe also is still a sell. Let's take a look at Ondo. Ondo is still a sell. Let's take a look at X. X is still a sell. Let's take a look at Notcoin. Notcoin is still a sell. Let's take a look at Dogs. Dogs is still a sell, guys. Let's take a look at Nero. Nero is still a sell. Let's take a look at Deep. Deep is still a sell. Let's take a look at RSR. RSR is still a sell. Let's take a look at Popcat. Popcat is still a sell. Don't buy yet. Let's take a look at Rose. Rose is still a sell. You don't need to buy it here. Let's take a look at CKB. CKB also is still a sell. Let's take a look at Reef. Reef also is still a sell. So basically on the radar, all the altcoin and the meme coins are selling right now. When I mean selling, you are not supposed to be putting your money in it. Your money is supposed to be in USDT. Then you wait for signal to buy back. Mind you, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. But with my years of experience, I have been right every day. If you want to confirm that, go and check all my videos and see all the analysis and all the signals I've been giving regarding to investing in cryptocurrency and spot trading alone. Futures, margin trading, option trading, it's not on the show. It's on the Telegram channel and on the Discord. So if you want to trade futures, options, and all of that, where you can use leverage and it's very risky, you need to join my channel whereby I give you signal and we trade together free of charge. So those are the analysis on the project that I'm analyzing today. Please, if you have any other project you want me to look into, you might want to comment it in the comment section and I'll look into it and get back to you guys. All right, now to get the whole thing story, let's check the fear and greed. The fear and greed index is now sitting on greed. You can now see it's moving from extreme greed to now greed. And when it's become greed back to fear, that's where you need to start looking for buy back. Now we're sitting on greed. Yesterday was extreme greed. Last week, extreme greed. Last month was extreme greed. So guys, that is the fear and greed index for you today. All right, that's what I have for you on the show today, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. I still remain my humble self, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim. Until I catch you tomorrow, another wonderful packed episode of this brilliant and great show on this great channel, Crypto Bin 101, the home of value and good information and investment when it comes to cryptocurrency, trading and investment. Take good care of yourself. Make sure you trade with the money you can afford to lose. And assuming my humble self, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC. They're great. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Peace out.